ambassador, if there's any other people like, let them all come back home. I mean, it's
almost 230.
Let them come. There's so much opportunity there for them. If it's to find seed money for them, it's better. Out of the 200, even if you help them and 100 do well, it's better than, you get what I mean? You know, Ghana is not a broke country. It's just that we don't know where to put our money. You understand? There are people who really need just small help. That help I got, that 10,000, I'm looking to see how many people, but the people are not disciplined. You give somebody money, I've given somebody money, the person was struggling somewhere, I met the person, how much in the country? And then came, oh, I want to do this. Next thing the person is enjoying the money. You understand? Next thing the person is, but this man, if he does well today, my children who are younger, tomorrow he will tell them that your father is a good man. Your father helped me. So possibly tomorrow he's sitting somewhere, he also can help my children. You get? But we don't look at the progress. The problem that makes me sit away even from the public is that most of the people are not disciplined. You create a business for somebody, the person is making profit. At the end of the day, he made about 900,000 Ghana cedis. That's $90,000. The person is going to buy, enjoy the money. But in my discipline, I'm expecting that the person will put the money back into the business. You know, it's a discipline. Ghanaians can be good business people, but the problem is just the discipline. He thinks that every capital is profit, so you just enjoy it. So when he sees Despite has bought the car, he also wants to buy it. But Despite started as a loaner, and he started and he's built upon. I started with nothing. Small, it's just trust. This world in which we are in is just trust. Your word. I owe somebody, I say, oh, I'll pay you in 2 months. In 2 weeks, when I get the money, I pay the person. Whenever I go there, and I'm not even there, when I call the person, I say, hey, I'll give me some 1 million Ghana cedis. He will bring it. You get? So that's the trust you need to build. But you've come at the right time. So let's let this sink to Ghanaians that we can help ourselves to develop. We don't need nobody. The kind of money we have here, if we turn it in Ghana, we will make a lot of money. There are contractors going to do projects. He is a lucky boy. Just go and take the cement, sell it. He gets his money, he pays the cement back. He sells 1 million Ghana cedis, he makes 100,000. Or he makes even 70,000. It's better than going to seek any employment in any country. Now, what's after Uye Juma total began
1,800. When we did the calculation a month, it was earning like 1,700 to 1,800.
Because he earned 3,500.
1,800 what?
Yeah, conversing the rest.
A month.
He was doing nails.
Nails. The company how to handle now nails for her. Who the barber shop for handle? Who bear 5,000. Now to diploma award do tata. Who go ayo? Who are Ghanaian? On one. Oba. On also then no or who be wa? Be now. You know. Let's find a car for you. Offer you a car. It can be so. So that's a main plant on the Mokon, but apart from that, most ambassador so your contractors in now or is in Dino, as a year warm. So you go and talk to Abuja and them, they should put all contractors to yeah, you know. So whilst they are, and with us, once you buy the cement is the best. Once you buy the cement, you don't even have to pay for it. Once government pays you, then you pay back. So we believe in Ghana. You know. I'm happy he's, and look, what we ambassador, no minister special assistant, say, Womu to Kakobo, who was over now, Okwana Wasaba. The America says, yeah, only people who paper for a person, the Wumba, ice at the Wumba. the world has become, have you noticed what has happened in South Africa today? Now Zambia and everybody is chasing their people to out.
Yes. Nigeria also said that.
Nigeria is saying, so all of you come back home and let's fix our country. And you understand? You know, I'm happy so about. But what for?
Okay, Saturday. Na ya obidi ya baba na oba ya na obese obidi ka obidi ka ma na koy.
Okay.
Ma na koy je say na why de ma ba no samba.
Okay.
Ya we change ba. The nyanchia obuso.
Esa mo ko share obuso. Na ana mo kan ha socialist mo pe bibi a obiti mi atina. We should find him somewhere in our career that we can actually watch over him. That's not to say he's actually just going to go and stay Kumasi. When you go and live there, knows that. But it's all corner you who say Bogaba. And so corner you who say Bogaba. Of course, South Africa was starting business for her. Maybe buy me who's here you. Yeah, say now what was me. Oh, about you, I put your buy only me the moon. Bed 2 years as a MP, now I talk about going there. Hey, Abanabo. You go now, I see me say, my maybe if you are may useless. No be asked that it's almost over. You know, so you should just make us proud, just focus. And me nipa no go for no go and I'm a bad girl, no so bad. Should be very interested in progress. To be started, the human there may be opportunities will all be free. The good thing is that Wabi Udu Mukoshema, so fast a matter of Tona on your own passport. Why?
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much. I'm happy to, so I need to make sure that we give them some seed money. So tell Bar and them to give me 200,000 Ghana to give to them to start and settle themselves and everything.